Jay, have you ever listened to Carl Weezer sing Slow Dancing in the Dark?
No.
You want to listen to Carl Weezer singing Slow Dancing in the Dark?
Who's Carl Weezer?
From Jimmy Neutron. Jimmy's mom! He doesn't sound like that. He sounds different, but like he's like, oh, Jimmy! I don't know. He's like an just iconic childhood.
What?
Okay, so if you don't know Carl Weezer, it's not going to hit the same, so I'm not going to send it to you. But just know it's really funny and it's really important to me. And like, anytime I'm in a ranked
send
game,
it.
Okay, here we go.
Wait, chat, have you seen the Family Guy edition of Glock No 48? Something no Glock no. I got a something in my Rari. You guys know that one? That one's so good. I'll show you. It's pretty funny. I got a Glock in my Rari. Alright, chat, here we go. Dude, the ad libs. Damn, he hits that thing though. Yo. Liz, that was something.
When you think of like emotional impact, what song tops that? Like, be honest. Like, 'cause I don't think any does.
Yeah, I don't know. You're right. Truly, nothing does.
Like Olivia Rodrigo's album? No. Bohemian Rhapsody? Eat your heart out, Freddie Mercury.
My God. What is this? What is this loading screen?
What did you just do on stream?
I cried out my woes. Did you hear anything? Wait, what the? Wait, my voice chat is bugged.
Brother, where are you? Where is your comp?
Can you hear me now?
I can sing Slow Dancing in the Dark to your chat, don't worry.
Hello? Hello? Alright, pop off. Hello!
Hawk out. Blinded.
Some mid.
Skedaddle off. On my way. Up the way. Hawk out. No peeking. Thanks. Thanks. Multiple enemies A.
Spike down A.
Need healing.
Reloading.
Need healing. Drop in a storm. Fall back.
One enemy remaining.
Fall back. Fall back. Here. Here.
30 seconds left.
Fall back.
Careful now.
Well played!
Jet, don't slow down for us. My creatures move fast.
Okay, so now next to your chat, I will sing whatever they want. I'm looking at chat.
Alright, chat, what is Liz singing? Quando we see the mind with the cut that soda. Oh, we boys they know us.
Casablanca, you better take that back. There ain't no butt in that sentence.
Blinded. Hawk out.
Spike planted.
Need healing.
Dizzy's up.
Reloading.
Wingman's on defuse.
Time to
One
heal.
enemy remaining.
Everybody thank Wing.
Bro, I just got dome pieced in the back.
Sorry. Inside joke.
Let's go. Here. Hawk out. Hawk out. Blinded.
Enemy B. Dizzy has target.
Spike planted.
Here.
You had your fun. My turn.
in a storm.
Last player standing.
Hey, little man, pump us up. Let's hear it.
Wingman emotes. True sadness.
Right here. Right here. Here.
Someone is A.
Fall back. Reloading. Oh, crap. No charges left.
Last player standing.
Perfect way to hit that high note, Carl Winger style. Bro. Guys, I hate this map. Icebox. And I don't like it. Cause it's an ice box. Man, I'm throwing these rounds right now. Yo, what's up, Kumi?
Take him down.
What up, Kumi?